Okay, so I want to just give you a little bit of a run through of how to get to the gym. So as you're coming up Four Oaks Road, you will come past the road called Cocker Road. You can see there on the left, and you will also see the big massive building, aka stainless steel, on your right hand side. This is where it can get a little bit confusing sometimes if you're following the sat nav. So when you get to this point, just essentially make sure that you are following my instructions. What you're going to do is you're going to make a right turn into Wranglet Road, which is just coming up on the right hand side here. So obviously I'm going to just cross the road. You'll be turning right in your car if you're arriving in a car, and we'll go into Wranglet Road. And as I say, this is where most people tend to go wrong. The sat nav will actually take you around the back of the gym, which is why this video will help you out here. So as we immediately turn right into Wranglet Road, we're going to take a left and we're going to go into the first, as I say, left turn just here. We can see a sign for Pertec on the right hand side there, and if you can see that, you're in the right place. In front of us now is Hopworks, which is actually a brewery, so hopefully when you come into the gym we won't see you sneaking in there. And we're going to follow it right round through to the right hand side, and now you will see just past this van here, this white van, Do The Work HQ on the right hand side. So our parking is now just on my right hand side. To the right of the shutter, there are signs, and you have found yourself to Do The Work HQ.